Learn best 125 fixed preposition in this video. Abide by, abide by, abide by, bound in, abound in, abound in, abstain from, abstain from, abstain from, accede to, accede to, accede to, access to, account for, accord with, accuse of, accustomed to, acquit of, act upon, adapt to, addicted addicted to, adapt at, adjacent to, admit to, afraid of, agree with, agree with, agree to, agree with, व्यक्ति से, agree to, प्रवस से, सहमत होना, aim at, alarmed at, amused at, angry with, किसी व्यक्ति से नाराज होना, angry at, किसी बात या व्यवहार पर नाराज होना, apply for, apply for, apply for, apply to, apprise of, appreciate to, approve of, averse to, aware of, believe in, bend to, bereft of, beset with, blind to, blind in, boast of, bond for, busy with, care for, charge for, charge with, cling to, combine with, compare to, compare with, समान चीज़ों से तुलना करना, कंपेयर टू, असमान से तुलना करना. एग्जाम्पल, दिस ईयर रिजल्ट कैन बी कंपेयर्ड विद द लास्ट ईयर डाटा. कंपेयर टू, एग्जाम्पल, द पोएट कंपेयर्ड लाइफ टू अ फ्लावरिंग रिवर. compensate for, commensurate with, complain about, complain to, comply with, conducive to, confident of, conform consist of, consistent with, content with, convict of, crucial to, cure of, deal with, deal in, deprive of, detrimental to, divide of, die off, die from, differ from, depends with, of, divide into, doubtful of, engage in, acquire about, acquire into, escape from, essential to, exempt from, faithful to, familiar with, familiar to, fed up with, guilty of, good at, grateful to, grateful for, hope for, hostile to, identical with, ignorant of, inclined to, indifferent to, indulge in, inferior to, insist on, inured to, jealous of, junior to, keen on, keen to, non to, lame off, look into, look forward to, married to, object to, oblique to, occupied with, part with, pity of, pleased with, prefer to, prevent from, refrain from, rely on, responsible for, satisfied with, senior to, sorry for, surprised at, suspect of, vain of, vexed at. Thank you.